Staying with a bit more of the technical stuff, I suppose, is the throttle electronic or a cable running to the throttle body?
Okay, that's an easy one. One of the first vehicles had a 3.6 Audi V8 in it. That was cable driven. Subsequently, every single car is electronically driven, so it means it takes a signal from the accelerator and supplies a signal to the throttle body, which opens via a servo. So they're all now electronic.
Steering, the fast rack, is that modified in any way? Or?
So we use a rack. Initially, we had a much, and exactly what this man is asking, you have what they call a fast rack, which means that little movement on the steering will have significant impact on the turn of the vehicle. We found that that would be very nice if the car was going to spend its life on a track, but 90% of these cars are never going to see a track. They're going to be used on the road. So if you want a nice, comfortable, responsive drive, you want nice turning circle, you would use a slower rack. So we have a rack that we use, which comes, again, it's an OEM rack. We have to slightly shorten the track rods for our application, but we use the rack as is.